Hello everyone and welcome to the Victory Forge. In this video, I'm going to show you how I built a window flower box to go outside the living room window of our apartment. First, I measured the space I had to work with in front of the window and used those measurements to sketch out an idea of what I wanted to build. With my rough sketch complete, I was able to make a list of the materials I would need, and then it was off to Lowe's to get the lumber. Once at Lowe's, we were able to pick out the lumber and had it cut to the size we needed so it would fit in the back of my car. Once back home, I was able to assemble starting with the flower box portion using some screws and L brackets for added strength. Once I had the box part assembled, I then attached and strengthened the legs with more L brackets and a few cross beams. With the assembly complete, the next step was to apply some Canyon Brown stain and weather seal. After the stain had had some time to dry, I then secured the bird feeders, the plant hooks, and our wind chimes to the flower box. We had a few plants already to put in the window box, but not nearly enough to fill the whole thing, so it was back to the store to buy some more flowers. After picking out some more flowers, we were able to arrange and replant them into some bigger pots with more soil and room to grow. That done, all that was left was to decide how they looked best in the window box and to fill the bird feeders with some seed. Alright everyone, that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please leave a like or comment, subscribe, and be sure to check out some of my other videos. We'll see you next time on The Victory Forge.